Hey everybody, it is that time again, the time for
Fortunate Questions.
The time with the chopstick guys where you have sent in your question. Mr. Wong has baked it into a fortune cookie, has hand-delivered the fortune cookies to us. Please grab one for this next fabulous question.
Ooh, and I will hand it off to you. Oh my goodness.
Very, very poor drop. Very poor.
Right up off the ground, 10-second rule, 5-second rule, whatever the rule is.
All right. What do we have here today?
5-minute rule, 10-minute rule. Suspense is building.
It's from Christy.
Hi, Christy.
Kansas City, Missouri.
Ooh, we like Kansas City.
Yeah. I've actually never been to Kansas City. Have you been to Kansas City?
I have, and I've had some good barbecue.
I love barbecue.
I went to one of the spots where Guy Fieri did his show in this little hole in the... Oh, never mind.
Christy, we want some barbecue. Invite us to Kansas City. We'll be there on your doorstep.
That's right.
Immediately. So she says, what does she say here? I can't read it. There we go. Mr. Wong, could you put the printing a little bigger next time?
It says, long.
What do you guys do about noise reduction? I feel it always makes my images look bad.
Yeah.
What do you think about that?
What I do is I just shoot images that are not
that
noisy.
Are perfect.
It's just
perfect. Every
perfect.
time.
You do it right, and you don't have to... No. I think the standard is NIK Define. I think that's one of the greatest pieces of software for cleaning up
It does an amazing job, actually. It's really pretty cool.
Yeah. I don't use it as much as I used to. It's just because I find our cameras are getting so much better that I'm not running into the noise issue. But there are times I still get where, maybe there's a lot of sky and I zoom in to do something and I go, ooh, a lot of pixels in there.
I get what Christy's saying, though, because, I used to experience it with some of the other noise reduction softwares where it made it look kind of smeary.
Yeah.
Right? It would just like that doesn't look better than...
Because they didn't have good edge detection.
Yeah.
That's what NIK has going for it.
It works really well. I find I do use it. But what's interesting is, you use it for when you want to pixel peep.
Yeah.
Okay? Because when you print an image, you don't see noise. When you view it on a computer screen, you can see noise.
Yeah.
And so I used to find, sometimes even Lightroom, the noise reduction in Lightroom has improved so much that it's actually usable now.
Same in Camera Raw inside of Photoshop.
Yeah, exactly the same thing. So, I think if you're finding that you think it makes your photos look terrible, you're using the wrong software. Go ahead, get it while you can for free, right? So the NIK filters came back to life by DxO.
Yep.
If you just search NIK filters, NIK, not NIC, NIK filters, you can download the whole collection,
the whole suite
for free, which includes Color Effects Pro, all the good stuff, Silver Effects, best black and white processing software out there, and Define. Those are the three that I use all the time. Grab it while you can for free. They're going to come out with a new set shortly, they say in 2018, which they will charge you for, but grab it for free now.
And if you already have it, look at Analog Pro too. I love that. Analog Pro is a lot of fun.
Well, there's the promo for NIK and DxO. Thank you, DxO. We love you guys.
That's
but
right.
Thank you for bringing it back to life. We were pretty paranoid when that one went away. Christy, good question.
That's right.
We love barbecue, and we love to see you in Kansas City, Missouri.
That's right.
But like always, we ask that you like and subscribe to this channel. This channel is going to fill your mind with incredible amounts of information all about photography, and we had a little bit of fun.
And maybe some things you don't want to know about.
And fun along the way. But,
that's right.
Please like and subscribe. But as always, we want you to send in your questions below like Christy did. Now, Christy is getting something special. She's getting the Chopstick Guys kit.
That's right. So she can eat barbecue in Kansas City with her
chopsticks.
Chopsticks.
Right? Includes 2 pairs of chopsticks, the wasabi bowl, the ginger bowl, and the famous Chopstick Guys chopstick holder.
Rest,
right?
yes.
Rest. I like the rest better.
Yes.
But anyways, please do not forget, say sushi. Till next time.